Hi viewers, this is Meenakshi Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
So listen, second problem, exercise number 5.3, second problem. Find the sum given below. Actually, they given something. They didn't say it is AP or not, right? They given find the sum given below. So we should find the sum of the given below, right? Clear? Excuse me. Are you all able to differentiate the first problem and second problem? What is the first problem they given? Very good. Here they said it is AP. Here they didn't say it is AP or not. Okay, next one more difference. Here what are the difference? Very good. Who's this? Who's this? Very good, Sanjay. Make it clear, Sanjay. Here they given. Very good. Here they given a term. Here they given a value of a term. Very good, Sanjay. Super. Actually, here they given a n value. Here they given a n value. Are you clear or not? Excuse me. Are you clear? Here they given a n value. Here n value. Clear. So from this first one, we have a and d, then an. Are you clear, pa? Here we have a value and d value and an value. The an value is the last one, right? So it is a L value. Are you clear or not, pa? Are you clear or not? Okay, pa. Okay. Listen. Now we can solve the problem. First question. The problem is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus etc plus 84. So here we can go with a two method, right? Clear? They given a last term da as well as a, but we need to know the n value. Are you all clear or not? If you want to use that formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L, because they given last value da, right? Excuse me. If you want to use this formula, we need a n value, right? But the n is didn't give here. Excuse me, are you clear? So that the value of this term is nth term, right? Excuse me. Okay. When we want to use Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an also, we need a n. If we consider the last term is an is here, a is here, d also available, but n is not here, right? So whichever the formula we are using here, we need a n value. Clear? So first ultimate aim to find a n value. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me. Okay, now so we need to find a n value. So they given a an. An is 84. So from this an, will you be able to find a n or not? Nth term da an. An to n to an. Is it possible or not? Will you be able to find this or not? Nth term. Here they given a value, d value, and n value. Will you be able to find a excuse me, here they given a value. Just wait. Here they given a value, d value, and an value. Will you be able to find the n value or not? By using a nth formula, nth term formula. Nth term formula a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this formula, you should substitute a n value, d value, and a value. You will get remaining n value, right? Now you can find it. So 84, that is a an value, equal to a is a first term, that is 7 plus n minus 1 into d value 7 by 2. Next, now we can transpose the plus 7 to left hand side, became a minus 7, right? So while we are doing subtraction for 84 minus 7, what it is? 77 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Are you clear? Now the 2 is a common. The 7 by 2 is common for n minus 1. So it means that, listen, it means that n minus 1 into 7 by 2. It means n minus 1 into 7 by the whole 2, right? So now it is a denominator 2. So we'll be transposing divided 2 to this side, become a multiplication. So 77 into 2. Now the 7 is in a multiplication. So it will come under the division. Are you clear? Clear? Actually, here is the denominator division. So we crossing across the equal sign became a multiplication. So multiplication 2. Reciprocal, that is reciprocal. So simply we can say that it is reciprocal, right? So it across the equal sign became reciprocal. That is 2 by 7 equal to n minus 1. Clear? Next, 1 sevens are 7. 1 sevens are 7. 1 sevens are 7. Clear? So we can cancel 77 and 7. Then remaining 1 1 into 2. So 11 into 2, 22 equal to n minus 1. Then we can transpose the minus 1 to left hand side, became a plus 1. So 22 plus 1 is equal to n. Then n is equal to 23. Very clear? Okay. Now we have a value, d value, n value, and an value. Which formula we can use it to find the sum? Last formula, last a plus a. Yes, we can use these three. Listen, now we get all the values. Even we know that n value, a value, as well as an value, d value, everything we know that. We want to make that process the simplest one, so we can use a plus l value formula, right? Clear? So now Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So s 23, n value is 23. So s 23 is equal to 23 by 2 into a value 7, last term 84. Now you can multiply 7 plus 84 became a 91. So 23 into 91 divided by 2. Now you can multiply 23 into 91. It became a 2093 divided by 2. Clear? So that is the answer. If you want to divide and make it as a improper fraction, you can make it. Clear? Clear? Any doubt, pa? Excuse me, others. Any other doubts? Clear? Shall we move to the next problem? So next problem. See here, listen all of you. Next problem. 34, 32, 30, etc. 10. So here also they given a value and d value. D is equal to minus 2. D value. L value. L means L or an. That is 10. Right? We need to find a n. So how will you find the n value? An formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then an is equal to 10 is equal to 34. That is a 34 plus n minus 1. We need to find the n. So n minus 1 into d value minus 2. So 10. Now we can transpose the 34 to left hand side. Minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Then when we are doing subtraction here, we will get a minus 24. Then we can transpose the plus minus 2 to this side to become a division 2, right? So division 2. So minus division 2. Minus minus cancel. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So 12 minus 12. Sorry, minus minus cancel also. So 12. So 12 is equal to n minus 1. Then we can transpose the minus 1 to left hand side, became a plus 1. So 12 plus 1, it became a 13. So n is equal to 13. Now we can use the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So a value here 3, l value 10 last term. So 13 by, when we add this, we can get it became a 44. So 13 into 44 divided by 2. Next 13 into, now we can cancel it. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 13 into 22. So 13 into 20 it became a 286. Are you clear, pa? Clear? Shall we move to the next problem? 13th problem. Sorry, 13. No, that's the third problem. Third problem. How many problems are remaining? Only 3 problems, right? So okay. Third problem. Listen. Okay. Okay. Listen. Third problem. Listen. So here third one, minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus etc. minus 330. So they given a process. We can find it a value. What is the a value here? Minus 5. L last term minus 230. Otherwise we can call it as a an. An or last term. Next d value we can subtract it. Third second term minus first term. So minus 8 by minus of minus 5. So minus of minus it became a plus. So minus 8 plus 5. So d is equal to minus 3. Are you clear? Excuse me, pa. Now we need to find a n value. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then an value was minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 3. So minus of 225 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Then n minus 1 equal to, now we can transpose. Minus 3 will come to say become a division 3. So minus 3 divided by 225 minus minus cancel. When I cancel this became at 75. Excuse me, are you clear? Shall I do one more step? Is it clear or not? See here. Minus 225 divided by the minus 3 because it is transposing equal to n minus 1. Now minus minus cancel. 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21, remaining 1 15. 5 3s are 15. So 75. So 75 is equal to n minus 1. So now I transpose it to n should be in the left side. This one is the right side. Clear? So n minus 1 is equal to 75. Then n is equal to minus 1 we can transpose to the left side to become what it is. Plus 1. So n is equal to 76. Clear? So now we found a n value. Now we can use the Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So n value 76 by 2. A value minus 5 plus L value minus 230. So minus minus same sign you can add it. Minus 235. Here you can cancel it. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. 38. So 38 into minus of 335. When you are multiplying this two, you will get a 8,000 and that is minus 8,930. Are you clear, pa? Excuse me.
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.